Hello, and thank you for joining on yet another presentation. Again, that time of the month where Alberta has announced its processing information, latest inventory, latest numbers in which we all are very interested. So, 6th of March was the last update. I don't see any changes much of here, where as far as the summary is concerned, till now there is no declaration on how the 4875 nominations would be allocated in 2025 across the streams, so we are still on the same page. Okay, let's look into the stream wise update. First, Alberta opportunity stream, 717 nominations issued in 2025, 1927 applications are in queue, and they are currently processing applications from June of 2024, mid-June 2024. So it's almost like 7 months and 3 months, like almost 10 months backed up. Rural renewal stream, 154 nominations issued, out of 1216 applications are in process, and they are also processing information from March and June of 2024. So again, a very popular stream and getting processing from much earlier in 2024. So again, looks like another 10 months or applications without a work permit of those people who have applied outside of Canada maybe have more than a year of backlog already on the rural renewal stream. Okay, tourism and hospitality, 14 nominations issued, 389 in queue, and November of 2024, which means almost 3-4 months backed up. Dedicated healthcare pathway, less than 10 nominations issued, but this is for the non-express entry nomination. Okay, so dedicated healthcare pathway, 10 nominations issued, 43 in process, and it's pretty current, February of 2025. Let's look into the express entry numbers. In express entry, you will see something very interesting. You will see that dedicated healthcare pathway 10 has been issued under non-express entry, and 45 has been issued in the express entry category. 45, which means this is like the second highest nomination issued till now in 2025. The most were given to priority sectors till now. However, dedicated healthcare pathway has been given most. Look at the ratio between nomination issued and applications to be processed, almost like 1-to-1. So, and they are being processed from February of 2025, so less than a month or just over a month for express entry. So this indicates that dedicated healthcare pathway, if you look into all the numbers, dedicated healthcare pathway is the only number which is in 2025, be it non-express entry or the express entry, which indicates the focus on dedicated healthcare pathway. This is what I was covering in my earlier video, where I was kind of contemplating that the dedicated healthcare pathway will be a more popular pathway in this year, in the months and years to come. Law enforcement pathway, not much traction, but again I saw something very interesting on the law enforcement pathway. We will look into that. Priority sector, 49 nominations issued and 332 applications in process. This is also backed up like about couple of months, 3 months mostly, right? So here they have issued 127 nominations under express entry. So let's look into how many nominations have been issued in 2025 till now. So 127 here. Okay, let's start with here. 717 here. 154, which is like 870 odd. 871. 871 plus 14 is 9. 871 and 14 is 920-ish plus 127. So already 1000 nominations, 1000 plus nominations have been issued in 2025. So out of that remains 4,875. So which means close to 25% has been already issued, and we are almost 25% of the year into the year. Towards the mid-March, towards the end of March, it will be 1/4 of the year complete. 25% and 25% of nominations have been issued. So pretty much nothing is surprising. Let's look into now the expression of interest queue. It is always growing, as we see here. 48,000 people are in queue and 31,000 of them are in the Alberta opportunity stream. Most of them are in the Alberta opportunity stream. Let's look into the draws that have happened till now. So right now, Alberta opportunity stream only had one draw till now, which was on 14th of February. Most of the draws, as we saw, is happening on the dedicated healthcare pathway. This is very important. Dedicated healthcare pathway is showing a trend which is showing its popularity for 2025. So again, I hope I'm right that dedicated healthcare pathway is the way to go forward, or will receive most of the nominations when we are end of 2025. Maybe I don't have any internal information. This is just my hunch. This is just what I'm thinking might happen. Whereas if you see the queue size, dedicated healthcare pathway is only 1,000 people. Right now, it's only 1,000 people. So if they don't get much more candidates in dedicated healthcare pathway by the time year comes, then probably they can issue more invitations in some other stream. However, if you look into it, right now 45 and 10, right, 90, like close to 50 plus applications, 50 plus nominations have been issued in 2025 in the first 3 months of the year. So let's say by the end of the year they can issue close to 200 or 300 more applications going by this trend. However, it can still be possible that this number could be much higher. If all these 1,000 people are invited, then the numbers could be a bit more higher. We'll see how the time goes. The number of draws will be much more happening, which will be more dedicated healthcare pathway. So this is something that will give us some clue. Okay, so that is what I wanted to cover in this particular video. Any questions, guys? Reach out to me in the comments. I will try my best in answering them. And to everybody who got the nominations, all the best. I have a lot of presentations showing what to do next in each of the videos, in each of the steps. So if you have got your nominations, congratulations. Sorry, if you have got your invitations, then nominations. Obviously, congratulations to people who have also got nominations. If you need any help, reach out to me and I will try my best to help you out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.